Why did you decide to run for Little Miss Cattle Call?
I decided to run for Little Miss because I like riding my horse and spending time with my friends.
Because I like to see my friends and ride my horse.
Every legend has a beginning, and this 2012 Cattle Call is mine. I am Michelle Sampson. Thank you.
Yes, sir. I tip my resist all hat to all the legends who have come and gone. But for me, my legend begins with representing my little town when the Brawley Cattle Call comes around.
So raise your glasses. I'd like to make a toast to this beautifully voiced by Brawley Cattle Call and to the wildly untamed group Flying U Rodeo. To 1957 when the legend began, to 2012 and years of future success. Because as long as there's cattle and cowboys, I know you'll do just fine.
Brawley Cattle Call is a legend in its own right, serving as a celebration of Western heritage, family tradition, and the kind of place where teams like Charmaine and Scamper and Cotton and the Flying U make their dreams of rodeo stardom come true. One thing I'm certain of, legends aren't born, they're made.
Our 2012 Brawley Cattle Call Little Misses, Sydney Roper and Ruby Robbins. Ladies and gentlemen, to start our 2012 court, our Little Misses. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2012 Brawley Cattle Call Teen Queen, Miss Michaela McFadden. Once again, like the Queens and the Teen Queens, everybody's done such a bang-up job and worked so hard over this. It's been impressive to sit here and watch. The winner of the First Princess 2012 Brawley Cattle Call, Miss Annie Locker. And now for the announcement of the 2012 Cattle Call Queen, Miss Kristen Sharp.